Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening topic that could revolutionize your relationship with dairy. Ever wondered what happens to your body if you stop eating dairy? Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the mysteries behind this dietary decision on Health Spiffy. Fact number 1. Digestive disruption. Cutting dairy from your diet can lead to some significant changes in your digestive system. Say goodbye to those uncomfortable bloating episodes and hello to smoother sailing in the stomach department. Dairy contains lactose, a sugar that many struggle to digest, especially if you're lactose intolerant. By nixing dairy, you're giving your digestive system a chance to operate at its best. Fact number 2. Clearer skin, brighter days. Bid farewell to pesky skin issues as you bid adieu to dairy. Many individuals report clearer, healthier skin after eliminating dairy from their diet. Those stubborn acne breakouts might become a thing of the past, thanks to the absence of certain hormones and growth factors found in dairy products that can wreak havoc on your skin. Get ready to glow from the inside out. Fact number 3. Nutritional navigation. While cutting out dairy can offer numerous benefits, it's essential to navigate potential nutritional pitfalls. Dairy is a powerhouse of nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health and overall well-being. Fear not. There's a world of dairy-free alternatives waiting to fill the nutrient void. Leafy greens, fortified plant-based milks, and nuts are your new best friends on this nutritional journey. Fact number 4. Reduced risk, enhanced health. Eliminating dairy from your diet might just lower your risk of certain health conditions. Studies suggest a possible link between dairy consumption and an increased risk of certain cancers, like prostate and breast cancer. Plus, waving goodbye to dairy could mean waving goodbye to elevated cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease. It's a win-win for your health. Fact number 5. Ethical and environmental impact. There's more to dairy-free living than just personal health benefits. By ditching dairy, you're making a positive impact on the environment and animal welfare. The dairy industry is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage. Choosing dairy-free alternatives supports a more sustainable and compassionate way of living. Your planet and its furry friends thank you. Fact number 6. Weight management wonders. If managing your weight is on your agenda, cutting dairy could be a game changer. Dairy products can pack a calorie and saturated fat punch, potentially leading to weight gain if consumed in excess. Swap out dairy for lower-calorie alternatives, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight management goals. Say hello to a lighter, healthier you. Fact number 7. Vitamin vigilance. One caveat of dairy-free living? Watch out for potential vitamin B12 deficiencies. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, including dairy, and plays a crucial role in nerve function and red blood cell production. If you're following a strict vegan diet sans dairy, consider adding a B12 supplement to your routine to keep your levels in check. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about what happens to your body if you stop eating dairy. From improved digestion to clearer skin and reduced environmental impact, the benefits are undeniable. So whether you're lactose intolerant, vegan curious, or simply looking to make healthier choices, consider giving dairy-free living a try. Thanks for joining us on Health Spiffy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content on living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, stay spiffy.